In this video, I will show you how to connect your phone to your Roku TV so you can screen mirror or cast your phone screen to the TV. Now over here, I have a TCL Roku TV, but it doesn't matter the brand of Roku TV you have. This video tutorial will work for any brand of Roku TV you have. And over here, I have my Redmi Android phone, but you can go ahead and do this for any brand of Android phone you have. Now first things first, you have to make sure that both your phone and your Roku TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So for instance, if you come over to the Wi-Fi connection of my phone, you can literally see that my phone is currently connected to iPhone 13 Sam, which is basically my other phone, and I'm using as my Wi-Fi in this particular case. Also, if you scroll over to the Wi-Fi settings of my TCL Roku TV over here, come over to the connection, you can also see that it is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as my phone. So once you're sure that both your Roku TV and your phone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, the next thing you want to do is to come over to the settings of your Roku TV once again. So come over to the settings, and then from here you want to scroll down to the system settings of your Roku TV. Go ahead and select that, then scroll down to where you have the screen mirroring option over here. Click on it, and then you want to make sure that this is not set to not allow. So always make sure that it is either set to prompt or always allow, but make sure that it is not set to not allow, because that will basically be stopping your Roku TV from accepting screencasting permissions from mobile devices. And once that is done, just go back to the home of your Roku TV, and then you want to come over to your phone. Now go ahead and look for the screen mirroring or screencast feature on your phone. Now the location of this screen mirroring or screencast feature can actually differ depending on the type of Android phone you're using. For most phones, what you just want to do is to scroll down to this notification center on your phone, and over here you're going to see the screencast or screen mirroring feature. It can either be called screencast or screen mirroring. If you do not see it over here, scroll over to the right and you're going to see it. As you can see, mine is over here. Another way you can actually locate this screencast or screen mirroring feature is to go over to the settings of your mobile phone, and then from here you want to go over to the connectivity or more connectivity option as it is over here on my phone, and you're going to see the cast option over here. So go ahead and select it. Now finally, what you want to do is to go ahead and make sure that cast is turned on your phone, and your mobile phone will automatically start looking for available devices it can actually connect to. Now over here you can literally see my 32-inch TCL Roku TV, so I'll go ahead and select it just like so. Now give it some few minutes and you're going to see a prompt on your Roku TV at the bottom over here. So just give it some few minutes. And just like so, you can now see the prompt over here. What you just want to do is to come over to your Roku TV remote, then go ahead and click on the allow option over here. And automatically, your phone will be screen mirrored to your Roku TV. As you can see, it now works absolutely well. So I can go ahead and start playing any music, any video from my phone, and it will be displayed on my Roku TV over here. And that is basically how to connect or screen mirror any Android phone to your Roku TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.